How to make money online. Do you ever dream of making extra money in your free time? Or do you ever wonder to quit the boring and monotonous job and do something financially rewarding? Do you ever dream of achieving financial freedom? If your answer to all of those questions is a yes, then this is the special video for you. If money comes so easily from the internet, then why would you dare to say no, right? Do you know when Jeff Bezos started Amazon to sell books online, people laughed at him. People ridiculed him. People told him it was utter nonsense. But he made history and people watched him in amazement. He is the #1 richest man in the world. In this video lesson, you're going to learn how to make money online in various ways. We will give you various information. What will click well depends upon your personal interest, taste, knowledge, skills, and passion. You know, online stores sell digital products or physical products. Selling physical products is extremely time-consuming. There are many complexities like shipping, international customers, taxes, laws, importing, inventory management, and so on. But digital products have many advantages over physical products. Digital products are easy to create, easy to distribute, simple to replicate any number of times. No physical materials, factories, or staff is required. Alright, now you may be thinking, what types of digital products can I create? Well, it depends. What kind of products do you want to create? If you have anything to share, you can turn that into a digital product to sell online. You can share your ideas, knowledge, skills, opinions, or expertise, and you can make some money along the way. How do you do that? Well, watch this video carefully until the end. Number 1. Photography. Do you know photos have high demand? High-quality HD photos are one of the most wanted digital products today. The biggest consumers of online photographs are bloggers, YouTube video makers, and website developers and owners. I'm sure you might be thinking that there are millions of photos available for free online. Then how can I sell and make money out of it? Well, do you know one thing? High-quality photos command good demand online all the time. If you're a professional photographer, you can sell your images on your own website for a good price. Showcase your photos beautifully in your website and build a rich profile for you and share your portfolio on social media. You can certainly do good business and make big money out of it. Number 2. Graphics designing and digital art. Graphics designing and digital art are the creative work if you're interested in them. You just need the basic knowledge of graphics designing. You can do it very easily if you have knowledge of CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop. In addition, there are many ready-to-make apps to make logos, banners, and brochures. As a graphic designer and digital artist, you can create a wide variety of unique and valuable designs like logos and various artworks for companies and business establishments which you could sell online. Here is a list of a few things you can create to sell online. Drawings, sketches, card designs, patterns, brushes, backgrounds, Photoshop templates, icon packs, PowerPoint themes. Number 3. eBooks. eBooks are one of the most popular digital products online. What you need is just your imagination and writing skill. If you have a flair for writing, it's a gold mine for you to make good income. They are relatively simple to produce since they require just written text and a few relevant images. You can do it on your own if you can. Otherwise, you can get the service of desktop publisher to typeset and format your draft. Now, you might have the question, how do you sell your ebook? You can set up an online store or you can distribute via large marketplaces. There is a big market for ebooks. The customers buy it by downloading the books and reading them on their e-readers, tablets, computers, or even their mobile phones. The advantage of doing an ebook business is that you can write about almost anything you know or are passionate about in text form. Number 4, audio and music. If you're passionate with talking, you can create audiobooks. What you need is a voice culture and knowledge of using computer softwares like Adobe Audition or Audacity. Audacity is a free software. It's totally free and you don't need to pay a single penny. Even if you don't have the knowledge about audio editing, you can record your voice on smartphones. There are many different types of audio digital products. People pay for audio tracks that entertain them, soothe them, inform them, inspire them, and help them achieve business goals, to list just a few examples. Audio products can include training aids, instruction manuals, recorded lectures, audiobooks, foreign language learning, business and management studies, relaxing background noises, karaoke versions of popular songs, reusable sound effects, musical samples, or full lyrical or just instrumental music tracks. Number 5, videos. Do you know there's a huge potential for video content? Videos are an extremely popular and effective format for delivering information online. But it's not as simple as other formats like photography, graphics designing, ebooks, or audio. Making video requires proper planning of writing a storyboard, video camera and equipments, audio recorder, and so on. Also, you need to have knowledge about Adobe Premiere and Adobe After Effects. You can also use OBS Studio, which is a free software. It's totally free and you don't need to pay a single penny for that. You can create video content on education, more particularly online teaching, skills development, information, or entertainment. It's significantly more engaging than text or audiobooks. Users love video. So, if you can make a high-quality video in full HD or 4K with high-quality video camera, you have a great scope to make money out of it by selling your videos. If you have speaking skills and have an expertise and skills in any area, you can just make videos of your skills with a little editing and you can sell videos online. Number 6, software. The software industry is huge, widely spread all over the world. It is ever growing with unlimited opportunities with desktop software, web-based applications, website templates, mobile apps, video games, or any other useful application powered by code. What you need is software development knowledge. Even if you have knowledge of some code language, you can develop numerous things to sell online. Whether you have experience with apps, plugins, themes, snippets, websites, or any new product, you can turn code into cash. Number 7, documents. If you have a flair for writing and have some research and analytical knowledge, you can write documents for companies, business establishments, and for various agencies such as project report, feasibility study, industrial research, economy survey, market research, product survey, or white papers. Number 8. Courses. E-learning is a new growing industry. With the lockdown of economical and social activities all over the world, e-learning is growing with unprecedented momentum. As it grows so fast and so wide, traditional schools and colleges are jumping into the bandwagon of e-learning to make their courses available to learners. If you develop courses or learning material, they can be sold in a few different ways. The online courses are like other digital products that can be downloaded by the learners as and when they want to. It can be offered as a downloadable one-off course, as a downloadable collection of chapters to be downloaded periodically, or as a membership or subscription basis for a web-based service. Some courses are entirely autonomous, whereby the learners can learn by watching videos and doing the assignments or tests. Some other courses offer interaction with an instructor. Many courses provide learners with some form of certification upon successful completion. According to a recent user survey, the number of people using easy digital downloads to sell courses has gone 4 times higher in just 1 year. With the outbreak of coronavirus and its outcome of lockdown, it has spurred the demand manifold. Number 9. Professional services. Do you have any special skills or knowledge? Well, you can turn that into money by selling your professional knowledge and skills online. They are often sold in one of the 2 ways. At a fixed price, predefined and known to the customer before he gets your service, or on a case-by-case basis depending upon the need and requirement of the customer. The cost is evaluated by the professional service provider and agreed upon after negotiation between the service provider and the customer. Mostly, the fee for professional service is calculated on the basis of how many hours it will take to perform the task. These days, online services are increasing and growing very fast. Customers also find it convenient to get services online. Here is a very brief list of some of the professions that can sell services online. Desktop publishers, graphic designers, artwork or banner makers, web designers, web developers, interior designers, 3D design makers, print media professionals, broadcast media professionals, mobile app developers, copywriters, translators, consultants, trainers, coaches, legal professionals. So, what will you start selling? There is a constant change in the trend of digital products from time to time with the change in the technology in the world. The technological advances also makes selling digital products easier. Courses, services, web apps, mobile apps, WordPress plugins, videos, graphics, clip art, and video games are all on the rise. Are you already selling digital products on your site? Or are you interested in getting started? Join the conversation in the comments below. Also, let us know if you want any specific topic to be covered in the comment section below. iTV Life Skills for You is an effective visual learning channel producing excellent video lessons on various vivid topics for your personal and professional prosperity. Stay tuned to iTV Life Skills channel to learn about language proficiency, communication skills, leadership skills, business management, employment opportunities, business ideas, world and current affairs, general knowledge, science and technology, how to make money, how to become rich, and what not. ITV Life Skills is a knowledge and skills hub for you to learn every skill on earth at one stop here. Don't forget to subscribe to ITV Life Skills channel to get our regular video lessons and other interesting content.